Galaxy Note 10 release this week, 5 things Samsung must fix on its next flagship. Samsung's Galaxy Note 10 will finally be revealed later this week, but here's 5 things Samsung must fix to make this the ultimate smartphone. There's just a few days left until Samsung finally unveils its all-new and full refreshed Galaxy Note 10 smartphone. The Korean technology firm will be holding one of its famous Unpacked events in New York on Wednesday, August 7, and there could be plenty to talk about. Rumors are rife that a number of announcements will take place during this keynote, including news on the Note 10, updated wearables and smart speakers. Express.co.uk will bring you all the latest updates from this global event live, but ahead of this showcase, here's the 5 things we think Samsung needs to fix to help its next smartphone beat all of the competition. That rear fingerprint scanner. Samsung has had a rear fingerprint scanner on its Note series for a number of years, and it's definitely not one of our favorite features. Searching for this sensor has never been ideal and often leads to you placing your finger right on the camera lens instead. Many manufacturers have been trying to combat this design flaw, with Apple introducing its Face ID feature and other Android phones now including a scanner under the screen. Samsung has already tried this new display technology on its latest S10, with users of that phone simply placing their thumb or finger on the screen to unlock the device. Most of the leaked Note 10 images appear to show a device without a rear scanner, and that means Samsung may have finally fixed one of the biggest irritations with this current Note 9 flagship. Reduce those bezels. The Note series has always offered big phones, but there are now ways to include a massive screen without it filling up so much of your pocket. Android devices are getting ever thinner bezels, which means you can cram a much bigger viewing area into a phone that isn't physically bigger. Samsung has already launched its S10, which now includes a hole punched front-facing camera to help reduce the top bezel, and the Note could follow. Most leaked images appear to show a phone with minimal black bars at the top and bottom of the device. Like the S10, it seems Samsung might be planning to punch the front-facing selfie camera through the screen. The only difference appears to be the fact that this camera will be placed in a central position rather than to the side. If this design becomes a reality, it could give users a larger display without it being too big to handle. Better battery life. Every smartphone fan wants their device to last a little bit longer, and the Note 10 could offer a big battery boost. With Huawei squeezing bigger power packs inside their phones, Samsung simply has to keep up. The Note 9 currently packs a 4,000 mAh battery inside its glass and metal body, but that could be increased on the next generation phone. Some reports have even suggested that the Note 10 will get a 4,500 mAh battery, which would certainly offer a big boost to users. Another bonus of owning the Note 10 is the possible inclusion of power share tech. This reverse wireless charging is already included in the Galaxy S10, and we fully expect the Note 10 to follow. Power share turns the phone into a portable charger, with it able to refill other devices wirelessly. More cameras, please. From the latest leaked images that have appeared online, it seems almost certain that the Note 10 will get a triple rear camera system. There's no official word on exactly what lenses will be included, but it would make sense for Samsung to follow the Galaxy S10 with an improved zoom and wide-angle option. The current Note 9 has a dual camera, so the next Note could certainly boost the photography credentials of this latest flagship. One other snippet of info that's been spotted is that the lenses look likely to sit in a vertical pattern rather than the horizontal position on the Note 9. Why Samsung has decided to change things will hopefully become clear during the keynote on Wednesday. Speed things up and leave the headphone port alone. When it comes to performance, Apple still leads the way. The iPhone continues to win speed and benchmarks tests, but will that change with the Note 10? It's unclear which processors will be tucked inside this phone, but it's likely that Samsung will launch a Snapdragon device and one powered by its own Exynos chip. The Note has always been pitched as a phone for those wanting to work on the move, and more power will surely be welcomed by its loyal fanbase. Although improved speed is good news, there could be something that won't make Samsung fans feel quite so happy. It's almost certain that the headphone port is heading for the history books, with those owning a new Note having to switch to USB-C or wireless cans.